Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In the latest visit update, there's a new respawn feature that lets you teleport back to a specific island. But here's the catch, the island index must be 100% complete first. So here's an easy trick to finish your island index fast. First, just check which phase you are missing in the island index. Usually for high level players, common phases are the ones not completed yet like this, especially if you have high luck. And to fix this, you need to lower your rarity chains. Just use a basic rod like the starter rod or toy rod like this. And then for the bait, you can use starter bait or beach ball bait. This setup will increase your chances of catching common fish and making it much easier to complete the index. And if you are missing the higher rarity fish like Mythic or Legendary, switch back to your best rod and bait. And repeat this method and you will reach 100 island index easily. And you can unlock the respawn feature. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!